How to promote Digistore24 products for free. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can promote your Digistore24 products for free with affiliate marketing guide. So let's get started. What you have to do is just simply come to digistore24.com and you will land on this amazing platform. Digistore is a platform that allows you to do affiliate marketing. You can run your own blog, you can do product selling, and you can check out the marketplace. You can actually find jobs as well. So what happens on Digistore is we can do affiliate marketing, and it is one of the best platforms out there. Now the question is, when we are doing affiliate marketing, the important step is to promote the product, and there are platforms that are paid platforms where we can actually promote our products, but everybody looks for a free way, right? And we want a free way. We want free platforms where we can actually promote our Digistore24 products, and we don't have to pay for them, and it should be free, right? And it should be easy to do. So that is why this video is for you, and I will tell you about different platforms on which you can actually promote your Digistore24 products. So first things first, what you have to do is, in order to promote a product, you need to have a product. What you have to do is just simply go to the marketplace of Digistore24, and it will take you to all of the different products that are available to do affiliate marketing for, which you can promote. So you can go to any of the niches. From here you will find all of these different options. For example, animals and pets, betting systems, business and investment, dance and music, email marketing, education, fitness and health, games and fun, and hobby, and many others as well. So you will see all of them right here. This one is digital products. So what happens is, you just scroll down and you look for different products. So the products are shown right here. Let's check this one out. For example, you can see right here that this will give me 85% of the commission. This is high ticket affiliate marketing, and in high ticket affiliate marketing we get up to 60 to 70% of commission. But these products are actually pretty cool because it is up to 85% of commission, and I will be making $108. So that is pretty good. I can just simply promote this product, and you will see right here that promoting this product I will be getting $108. But when it comes to promoting, I don't want to pay for promoting. I don't want any charges to go from here. I want platforms that should be free for me to promote, so I can make the most out of it. And you will see the price average right here. Commission is shown here. The earning and sale, vendor is given to creating and earning commission, cart conversion, and cancellation rate. So everything is given right here, and this product looks pretty good. Let's just say I want to promote this one. I will simply click on promote now, and if I have registered on Digistore24, then I will get my link. Now the question is where to promote the products. The first platform is going to be obviously our favorite platform where you can do affiliate marketing, and it is going to be Pinterest. Now Pinterest is becoming very famous for affiliate marketing nowadays. You don't need any business account, you don't need any blog to you don't need any famous blog to promote your product. All you have to do is just simply create these attractive pins for buyers and users to check out, and you can just then add that pin to your blog, to your account, and you simply add alt text. You add the link in your pin. Now the good thing is that Pinterest has also allowed you to create different videos, and you can actually create up to 15 to 60-second video, and you can create these videos and you can review the product in those videos. And Pinterest actually has the audience. It is pretty good, and it also works as a search engine, as we know. So whenever we search something on Google, we actually get the results from Pinterest as well. So whenever if you will add a pin according to your product, for example, this is the product and I created a pin for this product, then I will actually get when somebody will search for digital product or this product on Google, Pinterest will also show the results. I can go for alt text, which will help me increase the SEO for my pin, and then I can do affiliate marketing for free on Pinterest.com. The next platform is going to be Facebook. Now, Facebook is our favorite social media, of course. And what happens is you simply come to Facebook.com, you have your account, your simple account that you have. And we know that Facebook is very famous and there are billions of users using Facebook every day. And Facebook is now advanced every day, it is upgraded every day. There are many cool features that are available. It is, with the time, it is also, becoming modern, and it is competing with all of the other platforms. So what happens on Facebook is you can actually do affiliate marketing on Facebook now, because there are many options that you can go for. For example, on Pinterest, we can only, create our pins. But on Facebook, there are many ways you can promote your product. For example, what happens is you simply get the link from your Digistore, of course. And what happens is you simply come to Facebook. If you have a page, you will create a post on your page and you will add the link for that product on that page. If you have a group, you are part of a Facebook group. There are many groups available, and Facebook groups have everything. We know that you can find anything on Facebook groups, right? So we can also do affiliate marketing on Facebook groups. And there are many members that are, these out. For example, these are the different groups for affiliate marketing. And look at the members, 153K members, 96K. And this one has 20K member. If we go to see all, then I can check out the different groups that are available on Facebook. So you can be part of them. We know it's super easy to be a part of Facebook group. You simply click on the group to join a group, and if it is a open group, then you don't even need a permission. But of course, you can see right here that I can just simply click right here and join these groups. So in these groups, what happens is you can add your link, you can create posts for your affiliate marketing, and the people that are in these groups, they actually know they're for affiliate marketing and they're interested in affiliate marketing. So you can just simply go ahead and add different links to these groups and you can create a post. Creating a post is super easy. And the other way you can do affiliate marketing on Facebook is going live. You can actually mention your product in your Facebook live if you have a page, if you have an audience, and you can just get links. You can review your product, you can add videos, because on Facebook, when we create a post, we have the option to add photos. So we can just Facebook is all in one platform that will allow you to do a lot with your product, and you can add these different factors into your post. You can add link and promote your product. The next platform where you can do your affiliate marketing is Twitter. Simply come to twitter.com and you can do your affiliate marketing on Twitter. How? We know that Twitter is also a very famous social media platform, and it has millions of users and it is very active. The good thing about Twitter is that it's active. When we talk about Pinterest and Facebook, let's just say Pinterest, on Pinterest you will find this audience. It's like between this age. You will not find people use Pinterest. Of course, it has a large audience, but people are looking for specific things and stuff like that, and they're looking for inspirations they might not get. So on Pinterest, there is a different age groups that are available, but they will click on your links and they are active, but not as much. We can say, like, it's not a social media platform, of course. And when we talk about Facebook, well, we all know that Facebook is now not that famous as it were back in the days. But when we talk about Twitter is it's all about trending on Twitter, and so people are active on Twitter. So what happens is you can create a post on Twitter and you can add your affiliate links and you can add videos too. So what happens is you can see right here that this person is telling about their affiliate marketing and that how you can do investment. This person has added the links to their products. You can see right here that they are telling you about a product right here, that how to make money with something, and they have added the description, how to generate leads. These are the different marketing strategy that they are using to get links on their different programs or courses. Of course, your product can be anything, right? It can be your online course, it can be your Digistore product. In our case, we are going with our Digistore24 and we have this product, right? So what's gonna happen is I will simply add my link, or I can create a video for this one and I can add the description and I can create a post on Twitter. So you can go for a public post as well, where you will be able to gain more traffic, you will be able to reach more people. And you can see right here, this one, this is literally affiliate marketing somebody is doing. Increase review, find out this product and about the hype. So they have added this product right here. So you can see this was added 3 hours ago, and now they will be able to, they're promoting their product on Twitter and they didn't have to pay anything. That's what we are going to do. I will simply add my product like they did, and I don't have to pay anything. I don't have to create a business account. I don't have to learn anything without experience. You can just go ahead and promote your products on twitter.com. So yeah, guys, if you are looking for a platform to promote your Digistore24 products, then you should definitely check out twitter.com. So all of the platforms that I showed you are completely free, and you can promote your product, and it is good for your affiliate marketing, and you will be able to earn your 80 to 85% of your commission, and you don't have to pay for the promotion. So that's the ideal case, and that's what we were going for. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you have an idea how to promote your Digistore24 products for free. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.